Hello everyone, this is Path signing in from Language Academy City branch. I'm very proud and excited to have Girish here with me, who has recently smashed his PTE exam with 84 plus in every section, 90 in 2, 85 in 1, 89 in 1. I'm sure Girish, you are feeling very confident, very proud now. It's a very exciting moment for you. We had few attempts and finally you did it. Yes. So I want to know what was different this time that we couldn't do it in the last two attempts.
So I would say most of it was more of practice, the detailed planning which you guys gave us and the backup you were having with us when we were practicing, that really helped me and focused me more. Like after my first attempt, I didn't come to the class for 2 or 3 days and you called me personally, and that really boosted me up coming back to the classes again, and that was the key to success.
Yes guys, speaking of planning is very important for PT, because if you keep trying the same recipe again and again, you will end up with the same taste. So what you need to make sure is that if you make a mistake, if you fail an attempt, you need to make sure that you analyze your scorecard properly, and you need to analyze what mistakes you have made so that you can address them properly. If you don't address your mistakes, you won't be able to succeed in any of your attempt and you will end up frustrated. Now, how was your PTE journey? What do you think is the most important thing during your lab sessions or your practice times?
So when I analyzed myself, I felt that I was lagging behind reading. So the first attempt I concentrated more on reading, but I didn't expect that the writing scores also affect the reading scores. It's all interlinked, and that is when I lost marks on writing. And after that, I focused more on all the aspects and equally contributed, which helped me fetch the score altogether.
Yes guys, it's very important that you are not just cramming your reading stuff, because I see so many of students, they come up with a mindset that you can cram all your reading and you can end up getting the repeated questions. It doesn't happen all the time. What you have to make sure that you understand everything that you're going through.
So I would say, based on the recent changes, we were previously concentrating on getting 79s, but I would say because of the immigration, it's better to focus on 84s, so that anytime the immigration changes the score, we are on the safe side.
Yes.
And for that, reading is a main aspect which will help, and practicing more helps. Really.
Yes, practice. I cannot stress this enough, that practice is the key, and don't simply keep practicing anything. You need to sit up with your mentor, you need to sit up with an expert and see which are the important tasks and which tasks you are actually making mistakes in, and have a strategy accordingly. Without strategy, you will always end up frustrated and you won't get the desired score. There is no magic formula to PT, guys. All you need is proper strategy, a pure guidance, and see what actually works for you. So is there any last piece of advice that you would like to leave with the audience, or you would like to leave any words of wisdom from your side?
So I would say everyone is different from their perspective. So it's better talk to the mentors and get a detailed specific plan for themselves, so they can get better score and achieve it easily.
I'm sure, Girish, that you are feeling very happy at this stage.
I'm so happy.
Because you'll be claiming your 20 points now, and you'll be soon preparing for your NAATI as well, which is in January. I wish you all the best for it, and keep practicing, guys. Don't let the holiday season ruin your efforts. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.
All the best.